How are you guys? How is everyone? I just thought I'd share another old find that I picked up also in an auction. It's some sort of sprayer. Cool sprayer. Copper color here. There's your nozzle. Handle. Let's see what it says on the bottom. It's pretty cool. I'll read it to you. It says screw cannon nozzle tight. Keep nozzle and tube clean. Made by DB Smith and Company. Blizzard Continuous Sprayer. Utica, New York, USA. I don't know, cool piece. If you guys have any info on it, what it was used for, I'd appreciate it. Just thought I'd post some videos, share some of the finds. Maybe you guys think it's cool. And I'll post some more. Thanks, guys. See you.